Which is a better investment idea? Real estate investment versus stock market? Attorney Stevens says, let's take a couple of examples in order to answer this question. Example 1. You want to invest in the stock market. Prices are presently approaching a level that many would think are bargains. Historically, the markets have delivered long-term gains to long-term investors. However, there is a small problem. To buy $100,000 of stock, you must have $100,000. Maybe you can buy short-term on margin, but long-term investors must have 100% of what is invested. Example 2. You want to buy a $100,000 rental property. You don't have to have $100,000. You probably need about $25,000 as a down payment. The balance can be borrowed for 15 to 30 years on a mortgage loan. And here's the real secret. Who pays off your mortgage? Not you, your renter. You might make a payment or two when you have a vacancy, but the vast majority is paid off using other people's money. Multiply this by 5 properties, 10 properties, 20 properties over a working career, and guess what? Other people just made you a fortune. And you'll have loads of steady, dependable, monthly rental income by the time you retire. And that $100,000 house you bought in year 1? It's worth about $250,000 in year 30. Your return on investment is not based on $100,000 or $250,000. It's based on your actual original investment of $25,000. Do the math, but don't tell your stockbroker about this. He won't be your broker for long. He'll be out competing with you to buy rental properties. Mazen Al-Zobi says, the real estate industry is one of the industries where blockchain will have a significant impact. The blockchain allows users to tokenize and represent houses, properties, and apartments on the blockchain. Real estate is currently the safest investment type, with higher returns than any other investment opportunity. If you ask anyone what the best investment is, they will tell you to buy an apartment or commercial space. The only disadvantage of real estate investment is a large amount of capital required. People with a lot of money can invest in real estate, but that means regular people are left out. That all improved with the introduction of blockchain technology and the tokenization of real estate assets. Real estate tokenization has the potential to forever alter market rules. Property rights, investment, and capital raising are some of the areas where blockchain will have an impact. Tokenization in this context refers to the process of converting a physical asset into a series of digital tokens and selling them on an online marketplace. People who buy these tokens own a piece of the asset. This asset exists in the form of a blockchain-based digital token. Every token in this instance represents direct ownership of an asset. Mazen Al-Zobi. Harris Chris Putman says, they are both good in their respective ways. You just need to know how they work and the patterns move. Just make sure when choosing you to consider the one that best suits your way of life. DM me if you need to know more, or simply check out Swiss Binary Secure Investment on your search engine. If you need any form of assistance, don't hesitate to contact their support. Thanks for watching our video on which is a better investment idea. Real estate investment versus stock market.